What's up, all my chef and chefettes? It's your boy, Chef Chaney. All right, I'm here back in the Chaney kitchen once again. I'm ready to bring you something very scrumptious today. Scrumptious? Scrumptious. Recently, I've been on a diet. My wife and I, we started right before Lent. And we said we're going to go all the way through to Good Friday. However, look at your boy, I'm down 11 pounds. That's right. That's almost 6-7% of my body weight. And because of that, I said I'm going to stay on it. So now that I'm 11 pounds lighter, my blood sugar is also down about 20 points on the fasting. Also, my blood pressure is going going straight down. I'm feeling good. And it's all because I have reduced the amount of carbohydrates that I've been putting on my body on a daily basis. That's right. Did you hear me? Let me say it again. I have reduced the amount of carbohydrates that I've been putting in my body on a daily basis. So this recipe today is one with lots of flavor, but has very few carbs. The nutrition for this meal is as follows. Calories, about 490. Fat, 38 grams. Carbohydrates, 17. That's right. Protein, about 20 grams. Cholesterol, about 95 milligrams. So this will leave you plenty of carbs for the dessert later on, if you decide to have it. Now, if you're like me, I'm not going to have it. So the ingredients. I got my smoked sausage. I got a large onion. I got a 1/4 cup of butter. I got some beef stock. I got some hot sauce. And of course, I got the chopped cabbage right here. And then I got a little salt and pepper to taste. That's right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get this started. And I will come right back to you. All right, Chef and Chefettes, we're back. Today we're making Instant Pot sausage and cabbage meal. Scrumptious. So I love cooked cabbage. And so the other morning, Miss Chaney, she introduced me to this new chicken sausage. And the taste was, wonderful. I told her, I said, we're going to stick with this. So for this recipe, I decided to put the sausage with the cabbage, add in a little onion together, and then cook it all together. Let those flavors marry together and come up with this magnificent meal. And I say scrumptious, scrumptious. Can I say simple? Yes, simple. Can I say easy? Easy and quick, but also tasty. So the first thing I want to do, I got my Instant Pot on saute. Oh yeah, I can feel it coming up. I'm gonna dump my sausage in there, along with my onions. Oh man, you can smell that sausage starting to cook in there. Got those onions. I'm just gonna keep stirring that till we start to get it brown. Oh yeah. Yep. Just get those onions brown. Oh, you can smell the onions. Oh man. Yes, sir. And then as your sausage starts to brown, we're going to take our butter and add our butter down in there just to help cook that a little more. All of you are here with me. Can you see that smoke coming up? Oh man. Chaney's at it again. You got to watch out for her. Because when I am in the kitchen, it's dangerous. Oh yeah. Oh man. Yeah, that butter's starting to melt now. Onions are starting to get a little brown. That chicken sausage has a smell. Oh, it's wonderful. So while that is still working, add a little salt and pepper. One more little. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, can you hear it? Yeah. And the saute function on the Instant Pot works great you know, allows you to, instead of having separate skillets on the stove trying to get everything done, just do it all in one pot. Makes it so simple, so easy. Oh yeah, now that the butter is melted, just continue to let those flavors come together. That sausage is looking good. So while we're right here also, gives me a chance, I'm gonna go ahead and put this hot sauce in. And you can add more. Also, you can add some red pepper flakes if you want a little more spice to it. But that right there works wonders. Again, stir that all up. Oh yeah. Doesn't take long either. Because I'm telling you, when you put that on saute, that immediately turns this Instant Pot on. And just keep that going around. Beautiful. Yes. Now that we've been working on this for a few minutes, what we're going to do, I showed you earlier the cabbage. And I got the cabbage cut up. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take this cabbage and add it in the Instant Pot. And what's important here, you got a certain line in here. So you just want to stay underneath the line. So that's why you want to just cut it up into good pieces. So I'm just going to add that cabbage in just like that. Just one head of cabbage will do. And this should serve about 4 people. Oh yeah. So got all the cabbage in there. One sec. I'm just going to add that beef broth right on there just like that. And then we're going to put the lid on. Make sure it's sealed. And we're going to change this. We're going to take it off saute. And we're just going to adjust it. And we're going to add 2 minutes on there. And when we come back, it's going to be ready to go. So again, thanks for joining your boy, Chef Chaney, in the kitchen. Instant Pot is done. Set it for 3 minutes. Bam! It kicked in, did what it was supposed to do. As you can see, it's now done. So the only thing you got to do now is just release some of the steam. Once we release and vent the steam, we'll be able to open up and dig into it. So here we go. Get all that steam out. One thing you never want to do when working with the Instant Pot is put your face or hands over that steam, because it will get you. That steam is hot. So safety is always paramount. Safety first. Almost done. Get all the steam out. These Instant Pots, they're also great. And you know what's also coming through with this steam? You can smell that cooked cabbage. Also that sausage, that aroma is coming through there. Oh, I can't wait to open this up. Oh man, yes. Oh yeah, wow. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dip a little bit in here. Get a little of that sausage mixed in there too, some of the onions. Yeah, a little more of that broth go in there. Just a little bit more. Oh yeah. All right, my chef and chefettes, I got it dipped out. I'm ready to go. It's in the bowl. You can still see the steam coming off after I pulled it out of the Instant Pot. Oh, it's ready. And I'm ready. But you know what? Before I dig into it, You saw me put a little hot sauce on at the beginning, and I'm just gonna put a little dab now. And you know what? When I put some hot sauce in my food, I like Frank's Red Hot Sauce. Yeah! I put this ish on everything. So let's put just a dab on here. There we go. All right, let's give it a taste. Got my chicken sausage right there. Oh man. I'll tell you guys a quick story after I finish this. Oh. Let me get some of that onion, that sauce, and a little of this chicken sausage. That is good. I was over in Demopolis, Alabama this past week, and I went to a restaurant called Smoking Jack's, and they had some cabbage on the menu, and I had some. And I tell you, I know those cooks back there had it cooking all day, but it was good. But I tell you, I cooked this in 10 minutes, and it's just as good or better. I'm telling you, this is like grandma's cabbage, my grandmother's cabbage, my mother's cabbage, my mother-in-law's cabbage, my wife's cabbage. Now, Chef Chaney got his own cabbage with sausage. Oh man, this is excellent. I can't take up the whole video standing here eating cabbage. I just want to say thank you guys for following me. Remember, you can email me anytime, chefchaney1911@gmail. Follow me. Definitely follow me on Pinterest, Chef Chaney. Follow my YouTube channel, Chef Chaney. I'm out there. So if you need a recipe and you want to cook something, especially if you want to cook it in the Instant Pot, look for me, Chef Chaney, your boy. I'm in the Chaney kitchen cooking for you. Thank you for following me. Have a good evening. I'm out.